a very heartwarming welcome to all of you guys. In this video, mm, I'm going to take. Let me put the phone to one place so that I can focus on speaking. Right? Yeah. The view is not clear here. Mm, okay, I think I should keep holding it. Yes. Uh, so today I have recently I just had a discussion with one of the very important personality and whom I revere so much. We had a discussion about the concept of success, goals that we have, and what should be your approach to deal with everyday life and to achieve your goals, right? So let's start with the goals. We all have some goals that we set and we strive to achieve. Goals here means some kind of objective, some achieve some position to achieve, some task to complete, and when we get the goal, we say it our success, right? So here I want to add that there are two types of success. First of all, what the success is, in simple word, you make goals, you set goals, and when you achieve it, this is called success. So life is not about being successful in just one aspect, or life is not about successful being successful in the financial sector or in like particular issue, but it is about the combination, I mean the collection of goals, successes. There are there is not a particular success. We often use that successful peoples are doing this and that, and we associate successful people with rich people, influential people, and who are expert at their arenas, who have good positions, bureaucrats, policymakers. So we call these people successful, but we are wrong. Uh, According to me, this definition of success is not appropriate, right? There can be more pragmatic success definition of success. That is that is simple. Yeah, when we achieve some goal, we call it success. There are types of goals. There are small goals, big goals, and we can be successful in every day, every hours. Suppose if I make a goal to just do a 10 push-ups, okay, and I complete that, so I'll be successful for that particular goal. So there are types of goals, and accordingly we have different types of success. I mean, success is just one. When we achieve it, we call it success. So there are different types of goals. which make a success pragmatic or imaginary. uh, I mean, easy to get and difficult to get, and what amount of energy and efforts we have to make to get the success, I mean to achieve the goal. So it depends on the types of goals, right? We have goals, and we strive to achieve those goals. But I mean, okay, and for that we have made a notion in the society. There is a already made notion that if you want to be successful, or I would say that if you want to achieve anything you want, there are some sort of qualities, some sort of uh, uh, position. I would not say position, but sometimes some sort of works you have to do, and you have to develop some of the qualities to be successful. I mean to get your goals, right? I mean, it seems to me that I seem to be sleepy, but I don't know why, right? Get this. Hmm. Hmm. Notions. We have notions like if you want to be successful, you have to work hard. Okay. You have to be smart. Okay. You have to be dedicated. Okay. You have to be motivated. Okay. You have to be, you have to sacrifice most of the things. Hmm. Okay. And there are sort of qualities that you must pursue or possess to be successful. Various types. Ultimately, what they want to say, you have to be unique. You have to be different from the crowd. Okay, that's cool. But this is a general notions. These are the general notions. What if I say that even after, even suppose that you are doing all this, right? But still you don't get your dream, but you still don't get your goal. What would you say? You will be depressed, right? You will say like, I have sacrificed this and that. I have sacrificed my relationship. I have sacrificed my health. I have sacrificed my good time with the people. You know, I mean, friends' time. I've sacrificed the companies of the people. This and that. I was just committed to study. I was studying 20 hours a day regularly. Then why I did not get my goal? Why? Then you would be depressed because you had already uh, made your destiny. You had already made a notion that after doing these sort of activities you will be successful. You will get your dreams. You will get your goal, achieve your goal, right? But that is not the case, my boy, my friend. There are two types of success. First, which is dependent 100% on yourself. And the second type of success is that it is a semi dependable success which 70% depends on you and 30% on other factors, external factors, like on other people or some sort of, yeah, you may understand that what I'm trying to say. Hmm. Huh. Yeah. The second type of success, most probably can give you depression, can throw you into depression because you do everything to achieve your goal, but still you don't achieve it because of some problems or because of some issues, because of some reasons I don't want to mention, or all those reasons. But in general, you do everything, you just sacrifice your own self to get the goal, but when you still not get the goal yet, not get the goal, you become depressed because you already had assumed that I would 100% get my goals after doing this. That does not exist, brother. No. It's not matter how you worked hard. It's not matter what you have sacrificed. It's not matter uh, how dedicated you were, how disciplined you were. It's not matter because the success that you are talking about, the second type, it's was not completely in your hand. It was always a semi uh, decidable or uh, semi dependent success. If you give your 100%, still there are chances that you would not get your goal, right? Like for example, I have taken the example of board examination. So suppose that if you think that after studying all your content, you'll top the examination. Still, there are chances. There are, I mean, ample chances that you would not uh, get good marks or you would not get your expected result. Why? Because it depends on the teacher who is checking your copies. It depends on the set of question that you get. It depends on the coincidence that what questions has you know come in the exam. It may happen that you have studied the whole book and the other student has just read 2 3 chapters, and coincidentally the questions came from those 2 3 chapters uh, that the other student had studied. So what is prone to happen? It is certain to happen that the other one would get more marks than you. It doesn't, and it will lead to the, and it would make that student the topper, not you. In spite of the fact that you worked hard so much, But my brother, you have to accept this reality. And this type of success, you must understand that you have to achieve a 70%. I mean, you have to be your best, right? And just suppose that everybody is doing their best. What is about best? Understanding of syllabus, understanding of the chapters, okay, good understanding, right? Writing skills, you can write answers, speed. And once you achieve this, then all what matters is the strategy to increase your probability to get good marks. आप अपनी राइटिंग स्किल्स को बेहतर करके बना सकते हैं, आप फ्लो चार्ट्स का यूज़ करके बना सकते हैं, आप एग्जामिनर को इम्प्रेस कैसे करेंगे, आप नीटनेस को मेंटेन करें अपने उसमें। ये सब स्ट्रैटेजीज़ हैं पेपर को। देखो ये सिंपल सी बात है, वो पढ़ा तो होना ही चाहिए, और आपने कितना भी पढ़ा हो कितना भी लिखा हो वो आपको वो देखेगा ज़रूर, लेकिन भाई वो ऐसी चीज़ें देखे ना कि कुछ चीज़ें उसे इम्प्रेस कर दें। तो ऐसा भाई आपको ऐसा कुछ करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। तो ये तो हो गई एग्ज़ाम की बात। तो इसलिए कभी एग्ज़ाम ऐसी सक्सेस में ना वो मत रखा करो एक्सपेक्टेशन। कुछ सक्सेस होती हैं यार जो आपके ऊपर 100% डिपेंड है। यार आपको अपने 6 पैक चाहिए 6 महीने में, आप मेहनत करोगे आ जाएंगे। आपको कोई लैंग्वेज सीखनी है, आप मेहनत करोगे आ जाएंगे। आपको ड्राइविंग सीखनी है, आप मेहनत करोगे आ जाएगी। ये टोटली ये वाली सक्सेस ने, ये वाले गोल्स आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं 100%। यहाँ पे डेडिकेशन वो चलता है, यहाँ पे कर सकते हो आप सेक्रीफाइस, लेकिन वहाँ पे इन सब चीज़ों का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। वहाँ पे सिर्फ रिज़ल्ट मैटर करता है। तो इसलिए मैं आप लोगों से कहूँगा कि भाई रिज़ल्ट के बारे में मत सोचा करो ऐसा, प्रोबेबिलिटी बढ़ाओ, चिंता मुक्त रहो यार, ठीक है। कोई प्री अजम्पशन मत करो कि यार मैं टॉप करूँगा ये टॉप करेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सीन। बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम तो इसके लिए बने ही नहीं है। पहली बात तो अपना अंडरस्टैंडिंग लो और जस्ट अपनी प्रोबेबिलिटी बढ़ाओ, दैट्स इट। होगा जो देखा जाएगा। टॉप ऑफ करके हम हमें IAS बना देंगे ये लोग। तो वही सीन है यार, बस अपना ऑथेंटिक लाइफ जियो। यू आर द प्रोटोगोनिस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, ऑफ दिस रियल मूवी, ओके। बस अगर आपने जीने का तरीका सीख लिया तो आपने सब सीख लिया यार, ठीक है। तो बी ऑथेंटिक एंड बी रियलिस्टिक। बाकी खेलना सीख जाओ, लाइफ इज़ अ गेम। खेलना सीख जाओ, खिलाड़ी बन जाओ, फिर तो मज़ा आ जाएगा, ठीक है। So that's it for today. We'll be having discussion tomorrow regarding any other topic. Okay, I rest my word here. Bye bye.